Minor son or minor daughter up to 1500 rupees exempted. If your income is below 5 lakh up to 12,500, you are need not to pay any tax. Up to 10 lakh of Indian company dividends are exempted. A warm welcome to one and all. This is your Adasa here, lecturing Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. And now we are discussing session 13, unit 3 of tax management 2. Under tax management 2, we are discussing topic called assessment of individual. Under assessment of individual, in the previous session, we done with one question paper problem. The same way, in a similar way, we'll go for one more problem, that is also your previous year exam problem. Please work out whatever problems we work out for everyday sessions. So we'll go for problem number 3 on assessment of individual. So the agenda is very simple. We'll go with the problems on assessment of individual. Problem number 3. In this, from the following particular of Mr. Gopal, resident, calculate his tax liability for the assessment year 2020 and 2021. In this, we have gross salary, business income, royalty on books for colleges, rent from house property, dividend income, bank interest, income of minor son. This is important. I'll teach you how to calculate this. So if it is any income from minor son, we have exemption up to 1500 per child, maximum of 2. Remember this. In case of minor son, write down. So we have like it is clubbing of income, minor son or minor daughter up to 1500 rupees exempted. Now gross salary is done, business income is over, royalty on books for colleges, yes, rent from house property. Gross salary means what? Have they given computed? No. Then what we are supposed to do? Minus 50,000. Business income, you can take it directly. There is no any calculation for this. Even though it is computed or not, we don't get any calculation. Royalty on books for colleges, again it is taxable, around 30,000. Rent from house property. Royalty comes under what? 80 RRB. What is that? 80 RRB. Next. So 80 RRB slab, you know, I think. Remember that. Yes. Rent from house property. Again, rent from house property, if computed word is not given, what we are supposed to do? Very good. Now, whatever 20,000 we have, minus 30%. See, the same thing is repeating now. First problem you found difficult, but now you are finding easy. Why? Because you know what to do with salary, what to do with business income, and how to calculate your rent from house property. Then, dividend income, taxable or exempted? Exempted. If it is a Indian company. Nothing is mentioned means we have to assume that this dividend is from Indian company. What is the limit for dividend? Up to 10 lakh of Indian company dividends are exempted. Now, bank interest. Bank interest comes under income from other source, taxable. This is exempted, remember. Income of minor son up to 1500 exempted, above 1500 will be taxable. Long-term capital gain, taxable. Contribution to PPF, you have to take. Life insurance premium paid. So it will come under what? Life insurance premium, 80C. Life insurance, 80C. If it is a health insurance, 80D. Health insurance, 80D. Donation to National Defence Fund, 80G. National Defence Fund comes under 100% slab. Hope you are clear. So we have done up to this. Yes, we'll go for the answer. So contribution to PPF, remember this comes under 80C only. Now, so what is the limit for 80C? Up to 1,50,000, no tax. Then computation of taxable income, Mr. Gopal, and status of resident. Now, previous year 1920 and assessment year 18 and 19 in this. So normally it should be what? 2020 and 21, and it should be 19 and 20. Why the year is 1920 means this is your old question paper, your 2019 question paper problem. That's why the year is that one. But in your examination, you have to make it as 2021 as an assessment year, 1920 as a previous or financial year. Now, salary. So salary, what you are supposed to do? 1,79,000 as per the question, minus what? Minus 50,000 standard deduction. So we'll go with 1,79,000 minus 50,000. You got 1,29,000. Salary we have completed. Yes. Rent from house property, net annual value. So deduction under section 24, that is 30%. Now, house property is 20,000. Calculate 20%, 30%, it will be 6,000. 20,000 multiply with 30%, 6. 20 minus 6 will get 14,000. Next one, business income. What is the next one? Business income. Under business income, what we are supposed to do? Under business income, we are supposed to do directly. It is given in the question itself. 70,000. We take 70,000 directly. So business income 70. Now, again business income is repeated here. 70,000. Don't write twice. So I need to carry for the next slide. So I have written again. In your answer, it should be once. Clear? Now, remember, you have to take it once. Don't take it twice. Now, after that, income from other source. What are the incomes you got? Royalty, dividend, bank interest. Royalty, it is 80 RRB. Remember now. So how much we have royalty? 30,000 is your royalty as per the question. I'll go. Yeah, royalty is how much? 30,000. After this, we have dividend income. Dividend income is taxable or tax-free? Tax-free. So, dividend income is tax-free. Then, after that, we have bank interest and we have income of minor son. I'll go back. So, in this what? Bank interest we have taken. Income from minor son, 50,000. 50,000, as I told you, what is the limit we have? Up to 1,500, no tax for minor. So what we have done? So in this, yes, 50,000 minus 1,500. So 48,500 is taxable. In this, remember, this we call it as clubbing of income. What is clubbing of income? Remember, clubbing of income in the sense, you have a child or daughter. At what age you are supposed to pay tax? What age you will become assessee? If you are 18 and above, you are eligible for assessee. But your daughter or child, maybe 10 years or 12 years, maybe your daughter went for some advertisement. Your daughter went for some advertisement. In the advertisement, they have given 50,000 as a payment. Now, will your daughter file income tax? No. The reason is she is not 18 or above. If she is not 18 or above, she cannot file income tax. Then what happens? The concept is that 50,000 is taxable, but she will not pay tax. That has to be paid by dad or mom. Now the question is, it should be paid by dad or it should be paid by mom. Then what income tax will do? They will see your dad income. They will see your mom income. Dad income is 55 lakh and mom income is 4 lakh. Your dad income is 5 lakh, your mom income is 4 lakh. So which is the highest one? Your dad income. Your daughter's 50,000 will be added to her dad income. Hope you are clear. What is clubbing of income? If any child earn any income, that income must be paid by whom? Her parents. In that parent whose income is more, that person has to be pay tax for that 50,000. 4,000. If dad income is more, dad will pay the tax. If mom income is more, mom will pay that tax. Hope you are clear. Yes, this is called clubbing of income. Why? Because the daughter or son is not 18 years. If the child is 18 years, then no need of clubbing of income. That child itself can pay the tax. Hope you are clear. Yes. Now, in this, there is an exemption. What is that exemption? Up to 1,500 rupees, no tax. If the gift amount is more than 1,500, if the prize amount or income is more than 1,500, then that parent is supposed to pay tax. Now, out of 50,000, 1,500 will be called as exemption. The remaining 48,500 will be called as taxable. Hope you are clear. Good. So 30,000 plus 8,800 plus 48,500, it will be around 70, 87, 300. Now 87, 300 plus your 70, this is double, plus 14,000 plus 129. If you add everything, you got 3,300,000. What is your gross total income? Your gross total income is 3,300,000. From this, we are supposed to minus deductions. Now we'll come back. See, your contribution to PPF, 80C, life insurance premium, 80C, these both will come under 80C. How much is your contribution to PPF? Around 3,000. How much for life insurance premium? 1,000. All put together, 4,000. Both comes under what? 80C. Under 80C, what will come? All your post office investment, all your insurance payment, all your NSC certificate you bought, every kinds of investment will come under 80C. Now, so how much we got? 3 plus 1, we got 4,000. Now, so we got how much? 4,000. So up to this we have completed, and this is 4,000. Now, after 80C, what is the next one? I'll go back to question. 80C is over. Next one is 80D. What is the amount? 800. What is the limit? Up to 25,000 is individual, up to 50,000 for senior citizen. You already learned these deductions. Now, 80D, it is up to 25,000. But how much you have? You have only 800. Now, so take deduction under section 80D, health insurance premium, 800. Hope you are clear. 2 deductions are over. One more is there. In the question, we have one more, that is 80G, that is around 5,000. So that also we are supposed to minus. See, in this 80G donation to National Defense Fund, 5,000. Done? Yes. Along with that, we have one more. What is that? QQB. In this, we have deduction 80 QQB. We have not taken RRB. So whatever the royalty is there, we have not taken RRB. We have taken which section? Deduction QQB. The reason is, now see, why we have taken QQB and why we have not taken RRB means very simple. We have a royalty. Remember this concept, royalty. There are 2 things are there. One is 80 QQB. One more is 80 RRB. Now, this is royalty on patent. So QQB, royalty is on author. Author, it is nothing but books. This is royalty on patent. There are 2 deductions are there. One is 80 RRB, one more is 80 QQB. You already learned what is 80 RRB. If there is any royalty payment of patent, not books. If any royalty on books are author. Now, the slab is same to same. Up to 3 lakh are actual. up to 3 lakh are actual. Whichever is less has to be taken as exemption. Now, under 80 QQB, we have 3 lakh. Under 80 RRB, we have 3 lakh. In this problem, I'll go back to your question. In this, royalty on books for college. Royalty on books for college. Now you tell me, should I go for RRB or QQB? RRB is on what? Patent. QQB is on what? Books. Books belongs to what? College. Should I go for 80 QQB? Hope you are clear. Why we have taken 80 QQB means 80 QQB is on books, 80 RRB is on royalty patent. Clear? Yes. Now, so we'll go for 80 QQB. What is the royalty amount? 30,000. What is the maximum limit? 3 lakh. So whichever is less. So we should go for 3 lakh. Now, 4,000 plus 800 plus 5,000 plus 30,000. You will get 39,000. Hope you are clear. Good. Now, 3,300,000 minus 39,800, you will get 2,60,500. How much you will get? 2,60,500 is your answer. Now, once you are done with this, now as I told you, horse race, lottery, long-term capital gain. Horse race, lottery, long-term capital gain. We will add separately. After deduction, you should add. Clear? Before that, you are not supposed to add. After deduction, you should add. Similarly, long-term capital gain, now we are adding. Now we are adding. How much it is? 30,000. It is already given in the question. 2,60,000 plus 30, 2,90,500. Hope you are clear. Now, in this, if we have horse race, lottery and long-term capital gain, we calculate tax separately. Again, I'll repeat. If we have horse race, lottery, long-term capital gain, we calculate tax separately. Later, for the rest of the things, we'll go for the slab. Now, in this, tax on long-term capital gain, 30,000 into 20%, 6,000 over. Next, remaining is what? Out of 2,90,000 minus 30, you got how much? 2,60,500. In this, up to 2,60,500 means make two slab. In this, up to 2,50,000, 0, and remaining 10,500. On that you calculate 5% tax. So up to 2,50,000 nil. For 10,500, if you calculate, you will get 525. So if you go with the education cess also not required. Why? Because your income is how much? 2,90,500. So you should pay tax or not? No. Why? Because you come under within 5 lakh. You will come under within 5 lakh. If it is within 5 lakh, what happens? Yes, you will be benefited rebate. The last question, last homework was about rebate only. You will be benefited by rebate. So, you have rebate of up to 5 lakh if you have. Up to 12,500 you can claim rebate. Your income is below 5 lakh. So, your tax is only 6,525. Don't calculate education cess because you are exempted. Up to 12,500 you need not to pay tax. If your income is below 5 lakh, up to 12,500 you need not to pay any tax. Now, 6,525 minus 6,525, your taxable income is nil. Hope you are clear. Good. So, this is all about your computation of taxable income. Now, I'll go back to your previous slide. Please take screenshot. Today's homework is interesting and very important. Clear? Now, I'll go back to your previous slides. So, problem number 3. your solution part, your continuation of solution, your tax computation. Now the homework is very simple, just two homeworks. One homework, homework number one. Homework means in the sense what? You're supposed to write your homework in the comment box. We'll see who will be the first 5 person who answers, and also we'll see what is the right answer you have answered. So you're the 6th one, nothing to worry, you answered. Definitely I'll reply to each and every one. Now the question is very simple. In just 2 lines, you're supposed to explain me what is 80 RRB, what is 80 QQB. Clear? In just 2 lines, you're supposed to explain me what is 80 RRB and what is 80 QQB. And question number 2. Again, in just 2 lines, you're supposed to explain me what is clubbing of income. Hope you are clear. Homework is very simple. In just 2 lines, you are supposed to explain me what is 80 RRB and what is 80 QQB. Similarly, in just 2 lines, you are supposed to explain me what is clubbing of income. Yes. So this is all about your today's session. Hope you understood the tax computation along with your tax liability. Thank you.